Hello everyone! Today I'll be showing you how to make a unique single malt bottle shaped pinata cake. So let's get started. Here I have melted white chocolate. I am using orange gel color. Mix it well. This is a dome-shaped silicone mold. Pour the melted chocolate and turn the mold around to coat the base and the sides well. Remove the excess back into the bowl and refrigerate for 10 to 15 minutes. Getting on with second coating. Go over the sides with spoon and more chocolate. Trim the extra and refrigerate again. Unmold the chocolate dome carefully. Make 2 of these. Trim the sides. Layer the cake. Take one of the chocolate dome and start layering and filling with cake as shown. On a hot pan, place the other dome to slightly melt the edges and place it over the cake-filled dome to form a perfect sphere. Put some melted chocolate on the cake board to place the chocolate sphere over it. Getting on with some fondant work to give the sphere a bottle look. Follow the details well to make the neck and cap of the bottle. Using a hot screwer, make a hole and stick the neck and cap of the bottle as shown. Swirl a thin fondant rope around the neck. I am using edible black gel color to write the birthday message on the fondant tag. Stick the tag with melted chocolate. Give finishing touches with edible gold paint. It's a unique sphere-shaped single malt bottle with a tilted bottle neck. Let's get smashing!